Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Masala Cheeyam. Masala Cheeyam is a Chettinad recipe. So I am making this for 2022 Deepavali day. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make Masala Cheeyam and what are the ingredients needed to make Masala Cheeyam. It's a very easy dish only, deep fry dish. You can even make the batter in grinder or mixie. Today I am making very less quantity only, so I am making grinding in mixie. If you make lot, you can use grinder. Yeah, so come, let's go into the video. So in a bowl, I am taking 3/4 of maavu pacharishi. Pacharishi is called raw rice. 3/4 of maavu pacharishi, and then half cup of ulund. So with this you can make 20 pieces of masala cheeyam. Wash and soak it in water for at least 2 hours. Take few small onions, very less grated coconut, 1 green chilli, few curry leaves, peppercorns, salt, cooking oil. See, now it is soaked for 2 hours. Rice and ulund is expanded. Now transfer this rice and ulund to a mixer jar and grind it like this. Add less amount of water and grind it. Transfer this to a bowl. Since I am using less rice and ulund, I used mixie. If you use more than this, grinder is best. Add salt, chopped green chilies, peppercorns, add chopped small onions, chopped curry leaves, grated coconut. Just add a little coconut, onion and all, then only it comes nicely, otherwise masala cheeyam becomes heavy. Mix everything together and see the consistency should be like this. If you feel it is very watery, you can add rice flour and mix it. Once the oil is ready, you can just take little batter and drop it down on the hot oil. Flip all the sides. Once it is cooked, you can remove from the oil. Just wrap tissue paper on the plate so that it sucks extra oil. Depending upon your kadai consistency, you can make masala cheeyam slot wise slot. That's it, masala cheeyam is ready. Try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video.